Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee, and I'm going to show you how to fix your Alexa pop when it's not responding but lighting up. So if I say Alexa, and let's say yours wasn't lighting up like this,
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
I'm going to show you a few fixes what you can try. You want to make sure that the mute button isn't pressed. So if it is like that, you can see Alexa, it will not respond. So make sure this isn't red, and if it is, make sure it's unmuted like that. That's the first thing to check. Now, if that doesn't work, unplug it from the power source, plug it back in, and hopefully when it kicks all back in, it should start responding when you say its name. Make sure you have an internet connection, and you can do that by going to the Alexa Amazon app, pressing devices. You can see it says online here. If yours says offline, it's not connected like to each other. So you need to come into here and reconnect it. So look, connect to the device. Now, if that doesn't work, you want to soft reset the Echo Pop. And you do that by pressing the minus button here and the plus button for 15 seconds. And you hold them down for 15 seconds and it'll go into setup mode. You want to come to the Alexa app, devices, go to the Echo Pop and reset it up. So there are a few different solutions if your Alexa is not responding but lighting up. Hopefully that solves your Echo Pop not working. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.